All right, today's lesson was evaluating expressions. So we combining like terms and solving expressions. So a quick introduction lesson is to understand that when we have a number next to a variable like 4x, that is really telling us to multiply 4 times x. So in this case, if we have 4x and we're told that x equals 7, we put the 7 there, and we end up with 4 times 7. So straight into the examples. We have a couple of steps to do. Before we look at the x value of x equaling 3, we're going to want to combine like terms. So we're going to box these up. I have a positive 8x and a positive 12x, which gives me 20x. And then our negative 7 and negative 4 combine to negative 11. Now that I've combined like terms, I'm going to take my x equals 3 and put it right here. So I can rewrite my expression as 20 times 3 minus 11. And I need to do multiplication first. So 20 times 3 is 60 minus 11, and that's going to equal 49. Same idea here, slightly more difficult numbers. We can see that our x squared is going to be by itself. Then we have a negative 3x and a positive 5x. That's going to equal a positive 2x and plus 8. So we're going to take our 5 value and replace all of the x's with 5. So that will leave us with 5 squared plus, I'm going to put these in parentheses, 2 times 5 plus 8. So I've just rewritten the expression, except I have substituted the x values with 5s. So 5 to the second power is the same as 5 times 5. So that's 25 plus 10, 2 times 5 is 10, plus 8. That'll get us 43. And I think we have maybe one more example. Yep. So we're going to combine like terms first. I always like to put my bigger exponents on the left. So I have 2x squared. A negative 6x and a positive 2x is a negative 4x. And minus 10 at the end. So we have 2 times 2 squared, put that in parentheses, minus 4 times 2, minus 10. I just use parentheses because it helps me stay a little more organized and helps me follow the order of operations a little better. So in this left parentheses, we need to solve the exponents first. So that's going to stay as 2 times 4 minus, here, 4 times 2, which is 8, minus 10. That'll leave us with 8 minus 8 minus 10. 8 minus 8 is 0, and 0 minus 10 is a negative 10. So the tricky part here is to stay organized, use your order of operations, and don't forget to combine like terms at the beginning to make things a little easier.